Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so the process won't stall. Sign into the correct account, update the app, and confirm you have the needed currency or unlock items. This prevents wasted steps. Once done, open the Cosmetics or Appearance menu and navigate to the Chrome Crew section. This is where color options live. Make sure to note whether colors are dye items, presets, or require crafting, because that determines your next actions and the time investment. Now you get the Chrome Crew color itself. If it's sold in a shop, watch rotation windows and limited offers. Buy immediately or set alerts because they sell out. If it's craftable, gather materials in the exact amounts listed and craft at the appropriate station. If trading or buying from a marketplace, confirm the seller and item authenticity and use secure payment. Scams happen. Once acquired, equip it in the Appearance panel and preview, before finalizing to finish by equipping the Chrome Crew color and saving your loadout so it persists across sessions. Once done, relaunch the game to verify the change. This clears transient glitches. If the color doesn't appear, clear cache, verify game files, or re-download the cosmetic asset, because corrupted downloads are a common cause. As a key troubleshooting tip, gather order ID and screenshots before contacting support. This speeds resolution and helps you recover purchases quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.